Yeah. Where are you going, though? What the f... You don't have toilet paper!
Can see me! No!
I just see your flashes. How come I've never been that? Oh! You can't see! I swear to God! What are you supposed to wipe your butt with?
I'm doing it!
Maybe just pissed on her foot. What?
Feel the breeze going through from the wind.
Can you wipe with a leaf? I'll bring you one. I'll bring you the flowers. It's so cold. I will laugh so hard if I see pee on your pants. Come on.
Didn't bring me sleep to pee on my foot. Calmly going in one spot, then it goes.
Because you have a floppy poon poon.
I do not.
You do so. Look at Megan's shirt. She's a faggot.
It's all good in the hood.
Did you know it's really cold here? Okay, I'm stopping. Ew!